Hello. So today I am going to be doing an unboxing video for my new Hydroflask. I am pretty excited for this. So let's get started, I guess. Okay, so this is the box it comes in. I just picked this up from the post office, covered up my address. So yeah, this took quite a while to get here. As you can see, today's November 2nd, and I just picked it up because it had been saying it was going to be arriving November 3rd. And then I checked last night and it said it was delivered the 31st of October. But by then the post office was closed. So yeah, this is the box. So it's kind of like the labels on the side, which is kind of funky. But just going to be opening this up. Excuse my shoddy camera work as I try to. Really excited. I've been wanting a Hydroflask for a while, and then I finally was like, I have the money, let's do this. Okay, sorry, I had to get rid of my address on it, but I will say I ordered this from the website because I looked on Amazon and the prices weren't super different. And what else? There were a few reviews that said they got a fake one, so I was like, okay, let's just go. Okay, so I got the 32 ounce wide mouth with the flex cap and the color cobalt. So it's just other stuff. This is the paper. This is it! Oh, nice. I like this. I like this. It's kind of weird that there's no drawstring because it's designed like there should be, but there it is. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this color. Cold 24 hours, hot 12 hours. So I am so excited for this. It's silly. There's like cleaning. Hot soapy water. Hand wash. Oh, that's cool. We don't have a dishwasher here anyway. I'll have to go on there and see if I have to register for warranty. This is hard to do one-handed. Oh, it didn't. Okay, it had those like dirty dots that come on stuff, but it didn't leave any residue on the bottle, which makes me pretty happy. It's really, it makes cool noises. I'll take this stuff away and then I'll do some more. Okay, so here's the bottle. So you can see inside. It's awesome. And then here's the lid. I got the flex cap, which basically means that this bends. It's kind of like a handle you can use to carry it. And as you can see, it's like super thick and it really keeps it insulated. This is my current water bottle that I actually got for free at my school. So it has like a school sticker and the school logo, and this bracelet I got from Stimtastic that happens to be my school colors. Now this has one of these flip tops. And the thing about that though is this lid is leak proof. It says insulated, BPA free. And you can see. But yeah, and so, but the Hydroflask flip top, it's like leak resistant. It's not as leak proof, and it also isn't as insulating. So I decided to get this. If it ends up driving me nuts, then I will probably end up getting the other lid, but for now, it's this. And the second thing, I actually ordered, to cover that up, from Redbubble, some stickers to go on it. I'll check back once I washed this and put the stickers on. Here it is. Okay, so this is the finished product. Got my horses there, my spare spoons, and got spoons. And then over here I have my college sticker, the Save the Bees, and low-on spoons. So it's pretty covered. There's like a little room there. That's about it. There's, I guess, a tiny bit of room there if I have any more stickers, but probably there's not very much room unless I want to start moving stuff around. But yeah, I'm super excited for this. The other nice thing about this is if it falls in the dirt, the part that you actually put your mouth on is covered. There's no water in here yet. It's just like, well, there is from when I washed it, but so like it's not dirty. Super excited to start using this. Thanks for watching this random unboxing and de-stickerifying video. Stay warm, stay classy, stay happy.